Hello again, everyone. Franchising can be a great way to expand your company or even establish yourself in the business community. But while operating a turnkey business or licensing off your product or brand can have exponential benefits, there's been an enormous disruption to this model in 2020. Now that we are operational in many ways again, and that retail sales are starting to surge, it's important now more than ever to understand the ins and outs of your franchise agreement. Many franchisors are doing what they can to relieve their franchisees of some of the burdens that being non-operational have created. And whichever side of the equation you fall on, there's some important things to understand while reviewing your agreement and something to take note of, namely the force majeure provision. This clause will become trickier to prove over time, but it remains incredibly important. If you are unable to perform your contractual duties as a result of unforeseen circumstances, what are the terms that will kick in to protect both the franchisor and the franchisee? There's no waiver provisions as well. And these describe a situation whereby the franchisee may have some leeway to adhere to contractual obligations perhaps less rigorously, at least for a period. The provision should also outline the franchisor's right to insist upon strict adherence at least at a later date. There's the duty of good faith and fair dealing, and this describes parties acting in a commercially reasonable manner and take the legitimate interests of the other party into consideration. These actions should also be outlined in some detail, and you should have an understanding of what it means under the franchise agreement. All of this comes down to details. Both parties should have an understanding of what happens and how long the duration will be for things. If you have a deferral of payment or a waiver of payment, what are those terms? What type of contracts do you have to enter into should you decide to receive this type of assistance? But also, are you going to be able to receive any type of assistance if your business is not in good standing? All of these things are material to the contracts that you are working with. So never hesitate to have a contract reviewed by a lawyer and answer any questions that you might have. If you're looking to expand your franchise or looking to become a franchisee yourself, this is a cause for review, and have a lawyer help you assist through the contract. Feel free to reach out to me via direct message or email if you felt that CEO Law can help. As always, I'm happy to hear from you. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.